So here are 5 things that you need to talk about when you're writing your SOP. Now part 1, talk about your story. This could be anything that made you realize that this is the right program for you. Could be a project, could be an internship, or even as little as a problem that you just weren't able to solve at all. Now make sure that you're being specific and be real about this. Part 2, talk about your background, not a list of certificates, what you have studied, what you have built, and what you are actually capable of. Part 3, talk about why this university. Name a specific professor, could be a specific lab, could be a specific core module of that course. Generic answers are going to lose the officer completely. Part 4, talk about your future plans. Where you're going after this university degree and how this university degree is actually going to help you get there. Part 5, be realistic. Don't talk about becoming a manager with a huge salary right after university. Fresh graduates start with entry-level jobs and grow with experience. Everyone knows that. So first, you're going to talk about your story. Second, you're going to talk about your background. Third, you're going to talk about why this university and make sure you're being specific over there. Fourth, you're going to be talking about your future plans. And fifth, you're going to make sure that you're being realistic.